All right, this is a TI-84. I'm going to run through those three problems. So, turn it on. Let me clear this off. I need to get to the second function. I need to get to this distribution menu. So, second function, the virus key. Never use number one. At least I never do in class. It's always number two. All right. Normal cumulative density function. You hit enter, and it prompts you for four values. All right. So, it asks me for the lower limit and the upper limit. Now, on number one, the lower limit is 280. I believe it's 288. And you're going all the way out to positive infinity. Now, to get to E99, which is positive infinity, you need to get to the E key here. It's the second function of the comma key. So, second function, hit the comma key, and then you follow it with two nines. The mean is 258. The standard deviation is 24. Pretty straightforward. And hit paste. Hit enter again. Now, I've got four places. What if your calculator is not set to four, maybe giving you 2 or 1 or 5, whatever? You go to the mode key, and you come down to float. Let me set that just for curiosity, just for kicks, to two places. All right, second function. I quit out of this. Hit enter. There it is, two places. I want to get back to 4. Go back to mode. Come down to float, go over to 4 places, hit enter, quit out of this, hit enter again, and there we have it, 0.1056. So let me clear this all off. Second one, second function, hit the virus key, come down to number 2, normal cumulative. My lower limit here is 216. And my upper limit, I'm going as far as 276. Nothing else changes. Mean is still 258. Standard deviation is still 24. Hit enter twice. There it is, 0.733, correct to 4 places. So let me clear this off. Second function, hit the virus key, come down to number 2. My lower limit now, way to the left, is negative E99. So there's two negative keys. Well, that's a negative key, and that's a subtract key. This is the one I want to use. This is whenever your number has a negative or starts out with a negative sign, that's the one you want to use. You're not using this guy here. It'll give you an error. So I want E99. Second function, hit the comma key. There it is. There's my lower limit. My upper limit, I'm going as far as 210. 210. Hit enter. Mean and standard deviation haven't changed. Paste, hit enter again, 0.0028. Now, just on the outside, let's assume that you're using the 83 calculator, or maybe you have an 84 that has an outdated operating system. So if I turn this on, we clear this off, same idea. Second function, hit the virus key, come down to number 2, and then it just sits there waiting for you. You've got to put in the lower limit, the upper limit, and the mean and standard deviation separated by commas. This only applies if you have an older calculator. So my lower limit for number 2 was 216, comma, I'm going as far as 276, comma, my mean is 258, I believe. I think it's 258, and comma, and I think my standard deviation was 24. I get the idea. Separate with commas. Hit enter, and then there it is, exact same answer. So that's the 83, or if you have an older model, an older operating system, an 84. Hope this